Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be making another Zippo video. So this one is on a different trick. Again, I don't know what this trick is called. I think I saw a couple YouTube videos about it already, but when I learn new tricks, I usually want to watch like 3 or 4 videos about it. So here, I'll make a video about this one. So, sorry. I'm just really tired today. There we go. Here, I'll try that one again. There we go. This is fairly simple, you know. Pretty much you gotta hold the lighter like this. And you flick down, so then the lighter goes like that. And then you pull in and rest it like that, and then... So. Sorry. It's not lighting for some reason. Anyways, I think might be out of fluid. So thanks for watching YouTube. That was another simple lighter trick. Zippo lighter trick. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.